Given x cubed plus y cubed plus 3xy equals 1, we want to find the sum of x and y. The key idea is to factor the given condition. Let's see. First, we apply the sum of cubes formula to the first two terms. So we get x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared, and then plus 3xy minus 1 equals 0. X plus y. We can write this one as x plus y squared, and then we have 2xy, so we need to minus 3xy to make them balance, and then plus 3xy minus 1 equals 0. Now we distribute this term. Okay, so we get x plus y cubed minus 3xy times x plus y, and then plus 3xy, and write 1 as 1 cubed equals 0. Now we group this term and this term and use the difference of cubes formula. So we get x plus y, which is a minus b, 1, times a squared, so x plus y squared, plus ab, so we x plus y times 1, plus b squared, so 1 squared. For another two terms, take the common factor 3xy out, so negative 3xy. So for the first term, we get x plus y. For the second term, we get negative 1 equals 0. Now we have new common factors, x plus y minus 1. Take it out. So we get x plus y minus 1 times, we expand this one, will be x squared plus 2xy plus y squared plus x plus y plus 1, and then minus 3xy equals 0. So we get x plus y minus 1 times correct terms. So we get x squared, 2xy minus 3xy, so minus xy plus y squared, and then plus x plus y, and then plus 1 equals 0. So either these factor equals 0 or these factor equals 0. For the first case, if x plus y minus 1 equals 0, adding 1 to both sides, we get x plus y equals 1. Let's consider the second case. If x squared minus xy plus y squared plus x plus y plus 1 equals 0. Both sides multiply by 2, so we get 2x squared, but I write as x squared plus x squared times 2, so minus 2xy plus 2y squared, so we write as y squared plus y squared times 2, so 2x plus 2y plus 2, again, write as 1 plus 1 equals 0. Now we group these three terms, x squared minus xy, 2xy plus y squared. So get x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. The next three terms, x squared plus 2x plus 1. So plus x squared plus 2x plus 1. The last returns would be y squared, so plus y squared plus 2y, and then plus 1 equals 0. Each term is actually a perfect square, so we get x minus y squared plus x plus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 0. Now, because x and y are real numbers, so the only possibility would be each term 0. Right? So we get x minus y equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, y plus 1 equals 0. So we can solve x equals -1, y equals -1. So x plus y equals -1 plus -1 equals -2. So we have two solutions, 1 and -2. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.